Welcome back once again, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, today the news one I get from us says bandit kill over 50 in fresh attack in Kaduna. Yes, but before we go into the news, make I use this opportunity to tell those of you who never subscribed before, make another subscribe and make another share my video. Yes, fresh attack. And again, they don't call them, they say bandits. When they call, they don't call Boko Haram, they say bandits. I don't ask them before, what can be the difference between this bandit and Boko Haram and SMIN and ISWAP, which is the Islamic State of West Africa province. Every time a bandit that they come, they talk. But make we go down, go see what happen when they take kill another 50 people. Where the man, when they claim, say, 9-1 come become president, what they call Nasser El-Rufai. Now be the present governor of Kaduna State. Okay? Now him won't become governor, but in his own state, now him that they kill, bandit, they kill 50 people. They not catch one person, ladies and gentlemen. They not catch one single person, then kill 50 people. Okay? The news tell us, say, this weekend went past, so say na tragic weekend in a native area of one place they call Karawa village in Igabi local government area of Kaduna State. When suspected bandit, again suspected bandit, okay, they come and come raid the village, come kill over 50 people. A Voice of America, VOA, Hausa Service, now him come they report and then come monitor the whole movement by one journalist, one journalist in Kaduna State. They can say even newborn baby, Almajiris, and the others, all of them, none of them, when this criminal Boko Haram then spare, they not spare no single soul. Newborn baby, men and women, youth, they not spare anybody. And El-Rufai, they sleep when this thing they happen. And they say that he won't come become on a president, Nigerian people, APC people. Again, the same APC people. When they do us all these things, including the PDP, all of them, then Funky say in go see some people that go come out. When they claim say na El-Rufai, na Bola Tinubu. Where this Bola Tinubu and El-Rufai day when all these things they happen, when they not fit quench am? Or waiting come be the change when somebody like Bola Tinubu or El-Rufai go still come to that country. When they not fit advise their boss or their friend and their brother, when all of them they dine and wine together 247 when be the Jubri, say man, or Abakare or Mamandaura, or the same Buhari, they not fit advice and say, the country don't break for your hands. Try to find how you want to solve all this problem. They know they nothing. And them be the government. All these people, El-Rufai, Bola Tinubu, and these people when they do all these things. And now them still won't come in 2023 for you. Nigeria say, una don't enter plenty chance. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 3. I don't tell you 4 chance. All of una don't enter. 4 good chance. Not be 1 chance again. Not be 2. This thing they happen. Governor they asleep. Boko Haram they invade in country. And he say 9-1 come become. I just wonder. Now we continue, ladies and gentlemen. The report can they indicate say they Kariwa village. Say they don't take not be today then they suffer untold hardship in the hand of kidnappers, in the hand of bandits, and in the hand of this what they call Boko Haram and ISWAP. Not be today. They don't suffer. This same village. One man when be say he come from that place, now him they come they interview. Now the man come they talk say, he say heavy presence of police in the area after, not be before, not be during, after the carnage. After the big invasion, after the killing by the Boko Haram insurgents, before the police, they come, they see their, now that time they come beef their security. Now when something don't happen finish, they go beef. When they think they happen, they know they beef any security. Now when they think they don't go like 5-6 hours, now police go come say, they don't beef security. But now where people when not carry arm day, now here that they beef security instantly. That where Boko Haram and ISWAP and all these bandits that they do what they do, you know they see any present of anybody. They go they one beer parlor, they drink ogogoro, they use ogogoro, they step more when they chop down in one corner of restaurant. Why bandit and Boko Haram that is somewhere they mem, they kill. Then after they don't go, they you know, the ogogoro where they don't drink, they was okay, make we just go see what can happen. Hours after this people don't go. Even of their uniform. So the man can't talk, say, man, not be small thing. Police can't come after these people. They don't take off. He can't talk, say, the time of the attack. Say nothing. Nothing, no. In fact, he can't talk, say, the time of the attack. Say the plane, he get one plane when he talk, say, he just they hover around everywhere, but no action. That is, maybe now all of them with the bandit follow come together. Because we don't hear, see, now plane that they take, they supply them drugs, where they take. Somebody go wound, like if then mistakenly clash with police or army, people when get injured, who they treat them? How they take, they survive? How this will they take chop? Everything who they give them weapon, the army uniform where they wear, who they give them, are the same people. So maybe the plane when they hover around, according to this guy, he said the plane not do any, just they move up and down. Maybe now the thing when they lead them, they command. Not say them get all of them get radio now where they take the comment, they communicate. Not be today we know that one. See, the government don't buy them everything, every necessary equipment, and tomorrow they will come and come to tell us in a foreign government they ate them. One northern governors don't come out again. Come talk say now 3 governors in the state, in the northern part of the country, now them start this Boko Haram. One person don't come out again in northern. Say now during the time of Obasanjo, this time this Boko Haram thing started because then come talk say Obasanjo not give them any position that time. So since Obasanjo not give them any position that time, see then go use this Boko Haram to scatter Obasanjo's government. You know, now different stories we hear from them, but we know say now northern people when be this Muslim and all these Fulani people, now them get Boko Haram, and now then still this, then they benefit inside this Boko Haram thing. They can talk say a lot of people when they kill, man, a lot. Say the thing, the killing, they not even spare nobody. They can't say this Boko Haram killers, the way when they take the commandos time when they can't invade the village, can't they shoot indiscriminately. They not spare nobody. They not spare the young people, the old one, the newborn baby, the Alamajiri, all of them. They kill everybody. Over 50 people. In fact, they can't talk, say, in fact, after they don't kill them, finish, they will still go where the dead body, they can't begin to shoot them, can't begin to burn their dead body. All these things that they do, all these things, even the children that they burn their dead body, you can't say, they can't talk, say, now the news, ladies and gentlemen, say one man with his family, all the family wiped out, including their newborn baby, wipe everybody out. Where the police day when all these things they happen. The news they tell us saying up till now, they never still bury them. The time when they write this news, according to the person when that they interview, they can say that they appeal to the federal government to please pay attention to the situation in Agambi local government area, especially Agambi West. The government when they kill una, when be Buhari and Abba Kyari, when una no agree can tell the world waiting that they do in Aso Rock there. Now him una see they go back to them. I just wonder. Somebody they kill you see they go back to the government. They go back. Somebody when you know say APC people when you know say that them they do you and your family. In fact, they can't come and say the situation is beyond their own power. That is, the situation is beyond their own power. They cannot do anything. President Muhammadu Buhari should come to their rescue. To please, according to what they talk here, they can say to please deploy security agents. When go fit do the job for them and make sure see all these things when they happen in that place, you not happen again. He say, in fact, say they must all die one day. Say even the bandit itself, they talk and say they must all die one day and return to the Almighty Allah when create them. They say the government should fear God. That is their Allah, what do they call? In a terrible situation. According to them, they are in a terrible situation. He said the government should fear God, that they are in a very, very terrible situation. They say these killers say they are not just bandits, they are Boko Haram people. That's what they talk. They can't say they're not can't thief anything. No, they're not can't thief anything. These ones, they're not can't thief anything. They just come and kill people and also burn them, burn their belongings, everything the man said. Okay? Not be only this one, ladies and gentlemen. Not be only this one happen. You get another one now when happen again in Borno State. So, like I said before, Ona got to protest. All this calling Buhari and Abba Kyari and the so-called Mama Daura, it no go solve any problem for any Nigerian person. This issue of this killing, the issue of this terrorist, the issue of Boko Haram, ISWAP, not be issue when they take play, because it be like, say, they play with fire. This is terrorists. They don't want here. They don't want. Stop begging, because when I don't beg tire and none they get any result. The only thing we want to go do now to stand up and march in millions. We want to march in millions. Boko Haram self then go fear their head. The Jubri and the Amanda or Abba Kyari, them go take off. They go no say enough is enough. All the whole thing when they do, they say government should come. The same people. When they don't want to do anything, when see they go back, they say government should come. Every day, these people, then they come back. When I don't beg them finish, they go still bounce, come back. The Boko Haram must to come back. After they say, oh, they still beg us, we will continue to kill them. So, but once they see say, take action, better action, they no go, then the type person, they're not the type person. All of them, when they go know say water don't pass Gary. But all this beg, one of they beg. Now everybody don't talk say now still government of the day when be Buhari's got regime. Buhari's regime is, in fact, this coronavirus is even more better than Buhari's regime. This coronavirus is more better than Buhari's regime. These people, they don't need beg. They still need action. If you don't do action, nothing for you. And the action are to protest seriously. Going to beg these people when you know, then they supply them gun, they give them medicine, they give them everything. You are wasting your time. They wasting your time. Make una stop calling Buhari. Make una stop calling Buhari, because Buhari will not answer you. This will not be the time of Buhari. This one is the time of action. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, Boko Haram insurgent kill 10. The same Borno State, where the man when be the chief of army staff. The chief of army staff when be Major General Toka Borata. The lazy chief of army staff. Now in city, now they do this. Now I don't answer that before. I say, where Borata not come fight insurgent or insurgency, or not come fight the Boko Haram and ISWAP in his own state, what do you expect? You think, say, if he come to your state, say Borata go answer you. He not go answer you, because they don't kill all the people finish. All of them, and even when they do, they think what they do. They make money on top Boko Haram heads. In his own state, every day, millions they die. Then they tell us, say, since when this thing started, they don't kill 36,000. What is 36,000? 36,000 na number. 500,000 people when they don't waste na number. A million people na number. They just they talk all this thing to do like say make American people. They forget say America they see everything. If you not like say now only 1,000 they kill since when this Boko Haram matter come. Now millions of Nigerian people don't die. Millions of Nigerian people don't die. Then they come they tell us that's 36,000. So the Borata no fit fight anything in his own hometown when he come from. So no expect say when he get to southeast say Borata go come save you. That block when those herdsmen them block this Lagos Expressway last week. When they call army and police, you know here see they answer them. They don't answer anybody. So now so the game be because they don't see say all of them are fools. They don't see all of them are dingo. So they no go answer you until when you go make up your mind to answer yourself. Now you go answer yourself by standing up. If you not stand up, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your energy. You are wasting your power. You are wasting everything. So make una sit down there. They call army. Army go they now them be the Boko Haram people. You they call them, oh Borata. Now him they come for you. Because we don't want to hear what. So the news they tell us say the insurgents. Now they call these people again. They say they don't kill another 10 people in a raid on a village in the northeast of Nigeria, Borno State. They come. This one not be only killing then kill. This one. No. Say the oppression when these people they operate, then they operate differently. Some of them they can't kill. They're not the thief. Some they come the thief after killing. Some now cows then they come for. They don't kill. After they don't kill finish, they go carry cows. They go enter bush. Police go see them, then go hide. Army go see them, then go hide. And this way they come in convoy. Don't be say they're not they hide them. Then they come with thousands of healers. Healers trucks, different things, different kind of ammunition either they carry. So these people now, ladies and gentlemen, not be only killing these people come for. These people, then after they don't keep finish, they come begin burn down homes and they begin loot foods. Okay? Then they operate differently. Some go kill, some after killing they go just go. But these people now they come to kill and thief. You understand? So the suspected Boko Haram insurgents, according to the way where they talk them, in a truck filled with machine guns, stormed into one village they call Rumago village in Ankira Uba district. This thing happened on Saturday. These people again they shoot indiscriminately according to the way when the news they put them. They send the resident, all of them they flee come out for everywhere where they can't scamper, they scamper for their safety. You know, inside they run enter countryside. You know what it mean when group of men go come invade the village with trucks of machine gun. Trucks, not be trucks of machine gun. Begin shoot up and down anywhere. That is everybody just begin to they run up and down. That's why they tell us say, you never see anything. No, you be Nigerian people when go bring this man they call Buhari come. This name Buhari, I don't tell you before. It don't bring so many downfall to that country. Name Buhari, this Buhari one that they call all the time. Don't bring sickness when past coronavirus in that country. This name Buhari don't shut down Nigerian economy. This name Buhari don't destroy lives, millions of lives in that country. This name Buhari don't kill many souls, ladies and gentlemen. And I see they call President Muhammadu Buhari. I wonder, I never see anything. I never see this kind of government before. I never see this kind of government before. There's at the news they tell us, say these people that come with trucks of machine guns. Where the police dey, where the army, that army when una say una get, say them plenty. Where them dey, say them go save Nigerian people. This one are just, if Nigerian government won't defeat Boko Haram, this Boko Haram, when we always dey talk, say na still them be the Boko Haram. 2 days they don't defeat. Where that Sambisa forest day? Now with the years say they won't go build barrack near close to Sambisa forest. Different things that they come to tell us. How many these Boko Haram people dey? Those people I asked on before, those 8 people when I don't capture, when I see them come from Niger or wherever they come from. All those men they claim say them be repentant Boko Haram people. When they give food now they feed. When I tell you, una won't send them abroad, they go school. Una won't give them education. Why una not carry these people go this Sambisa forest? Since when we say these people, they know where they stay, they know their friends, they know their friends in crime. Why una not carry this group of people when una say they don't repent? Go show una where the rest Boko Haram people dey. So this is a very, very big game. Now he make me at the time and say, if you dey call Buhari, you dey waste your time. If you dey call say make government come, now time you dey kill. It better make you stand up. Make you stop calling Buhari. Make you stop calling army people or police people. They are not going to do anything for you. They will not save you. They will never save you. They will never save your life. They will never save your family. They want your head out. They want you dead. They don't want you alive. You know they hear that. So ladies and gentlemen, the news said these people as they begin shoot. Now so everybody begin run, head scatter. They enter inside the hole. Some just die because they won't save their life. As they run, something hit them. One hand. You talk Buhari. This invasion, when they invade in Borno State, this one now 10 people that they tell us see them kill. You know, if they kill 100, they will tell us na 10. Make we not forget that one. Okay? The resident, all of them jump enter bush. All of them. In fact, the man when they talk this, his name na Adamu Galadima. Then now one civilian military, now they call him. Now him they gist us, they give us all this gist regarding what happened in Borno. He said them burn dozens of homes, carry food supplies. In fact, they load the trailers when they carry come. 2 trailers loaded with food stuff. The man went talk this thing again. I know see that there be different people when they confirm all these things to the newsmen. Another person now they confirm them. They load the whole that is you know when they load food 2 trucks with food. They're the thief after they don't kill everybody. You know when you hear gunshot, everybody don't they scamper according to the English word that they use for now. So tell me now where this owner Borata day when all this thing happen. I don't tell una say this Nigerian government led by Jubril from Sudan, a foreigner, and they kill Nigerian people like this. A foreigner, una did they call Buhari go deal with you. May you begin to call Buhari. The only thing when we want, now that division I we want. Make you did there they call Buhari. If you shout from here to America, nobody go listen to you. Because that is until when una go begin to realize, amen, being together not make any sense again. The thing don't expire. It don't expire forever. So the Buhari will not come. Abakari, the so-called Mamanda, they will not come for your safety. The earlier all of una now begin talk, say, okay, make Biafra go and make other people go ahead. The earlier the problem go solve. And also the earlier when una stand up, say, man, una they protest. Una go march in millions. They go Aso Rock. You know, they go places. Let the world know what they happen. The early, the better it go favor all of us. Because if you continue to shout this one Nigeria of 18, it's a big scam. Everybody when they into government today, both APC and PDP, all of them are scam. They don't love you, they don't want you, they want you dead. So that they will take over your property. They will take over your wives, they will take over your children, they will take over everything when you don't work for. So make una stop to the shout Buhari, because Buhari will never come. Buhari don't die. Aisha Buhari don't tell una say he not they get any pillow talk with the husband. Do you know the meaning of that? You know the meaning of that? Somebody not they get pillow talk with the husband, which means the husband is not alive. They don't tell una say they don't invade our husband government. Easy to hijack government. You'll never see anything. So until when all of una go begin shout, all hail Biafra. Until when all of una begin shout, all hail Biafra. Now that time, una don't come. But now, Boko Haram, they go kill everybody in that country. If una continue to the shout Buhari, one love.